Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm gonna showing you how SEO works and what is SEO and everything. So most of the people are coming to my inbox and asking me please explain the SEO and how it's work and how the algorithm is updated for 2025. Okay, so everything I'll be covered in this video. Please watch till the end. So here you can see what is SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. It is optimizing your website, online content to improve your visibility in search result like Google, Bing or Yahoo or YouTube. Your ultimate goal is attract more organic traffic, not paid. Okay, traffic to your website by ranking higher and relevant search queries. So this is totally depending on your content and it is the SEO. Now let me explain how it works in 2025. SEO in 2025 still follows its foundational principle, okay, like AI driven search engine, like search engine now AI generated result, then to summarize answer using multiple sources. Then also Google relies more on user intent and also semantic understanding, like the LSI keywords related instead of matching keywords. Okay, content must be contextual, accurate, trustworthy. If you are not creating like uncontextual and also inaccurate or non-trustworthy content, then you will not get any kind of traffic, because this time Google algorithm is very updated. So you need to provide some contents according to your topic, and also Google algorithm can understand you are creating nice content, such a good content, and you are providing meaningful content, not a meaningless. Okay, here you can see EEAT is critical: experience, expertise, authoritativeness and trustworthiness matter more than ever. Okay, so you need to be experienced, expertise you should have, and also your website should be your own, and also your audience should be trust you. Okay, Google evaluates who wrote the content, why it exists, and if it can be trusted. Always Google trust those kind of people, those kind of contents, those are created by human, not by an AI. Okay, here you can see the content optimization. Content optimization means short keywords, stuffed content is no longer effective, and also SES 2025 requires value rich, AI assisted, human edited content, like optimized for search intent, voice search, AI snippet, and also user management. User management like clicks, time on page. And here is the core web vitals and user experience. Google now focuses more on page speed, mobile usability, interactivity, and visual stability. If you are creating a website, then you should follow the speed optimization, because if your website taking lots of time to load, then you cannot access a better feature on SEO world. Okay, and also your website should be good in mobile authority. Okay, and here is the interactivity and visual ability. A fast, responsive and clean website boost ranking. Your website should be fast, responsive means mobile and desktop or tablet should be clear and also responsive, and everything where images are properly loaded and everything. Okay, structured data and entities, adding schema markup. If you are on Google, then if you search on Google with Boostify, then you can see here is the structured data. This is called structured data. Your website will be in the fast, and also they are showing some of the site links and others. This is called structured data. So you need to do the schema markup, help search engine understand your content better. Entity based SEO like mentioning brands, people, places in context helps AI connect your content, known as a knowledge insight. Okay, link building is smarter, like backlinks. Instead of mass backlinks, you can focus on topical authority, brand mention, niche relevant links, social signals and reputation. If you are creating non-link your backlinks, then you can focus on topical authority like your website authority, brand mention, some brands that are already ranked, you can focus on this, and also you can mention them in your content. Niche relevant links, if you are creating a topic based information, then you should create your links and add your links required and also according to their content. Social signal and reputation, you should add your social media and also your information. Search engine personalization and localization. Search results are more personalized by device, location, user history and language. So you should do the local SEO for your business. Local SEO means when I search with Boostify, you can see here is the result for a local SEO website. Like they already created the Google Map website, and when anyone will search with the information, then they will see the information. Okay, so here you can see the key tools and trends. You can use AI content writers like ChatGPT, Jasper, and SEO Analyzer will be Surfer SEO, RankMath, Ahrefs. Voice search optimization will be the Google Question or others. Video and visual will be Google Reads, video content, image, alt text, and even video transcript. So here is the summary for your SEO journey for 2025. You should focus on AI readability, user first content, technical experience, and trust authenticity. And if you don't have time to do the manual SEO, then you can focus on the Boostify. Boostify is an AI powered software that helps businesses or people, those who have the website and want to rank on Google. They can start with for €1 to do the manual or AI SEO. This tool have the users who are very expert in the SEO section. They will do your full SEO. Okay. So thank you very much. If you are feeling this video is good, please hit the subscribe button.